What's up, people? So let's see what Andre's gonna do today. So this is gonna be my step-by-step day. I just woke up a couple hours ago, finished my listings, took pictures. What else did I do? I just edited my video, took a shower. I'm gonna go to an estate sale. I don't think I ever went to an estate sale, so let's go check it out. Look what's happening to Portland. Let's slow it down for you. Oh yeah. Seriously, that's what's happening. They're taking over. Zombies taking over. Think I'm joking? Let's go. I just don't know one thing. There was like I don't know why homeless people's hands, like young people, like young, like way younger than me, they all look all swollen and red. Like why? If you know why, please leave a comment why. I just wanted to know. I mean, I use my hands all the time too. They're like puffy. You know what I mean? Kind of like, you know, what's his name? Not Popeye. Yeah, Popeye had like big old freaking forearms, but they just have big old hands. I'm just curious. I'm not like harassing anybody or like, you know, being, you know, rude. I just don't know why. So if you know, please let me know. I don't want to Google it, because then next thing you know, you're going to a doctor. You know how it is. Thank you. Let's go to the estate sale. So I think it's in here. Estate sale. What the heck is going on? Where do I park? I'm assuming you just park anywhere. Okay, let's just park it. So it's gonna be like a trailer trash estate sale or what? That's kind of weird. Let's go. Weird, huh? What's going on? What's going on? Estate sale at some U-Haul facility. Have you ever seen such a thing before? Not me. I've never been to one. Let's go. Maybe it's a normal thing. Let's go.
Now you're going to take the blame.
Hello. I'm good. It's my first time. Do I need to sign up or?
Nope, you just go look around and see what you
Okay. Oh, moly, $8.
No! You just get down there and watch out.
little scrubs. You have any hangers?
Don't know what this is. $475. see what's inside of here. I don't think it opens anymore. Let's not get caved in. Look at that. Stereo system's about to fall out. $32. What are they smoking? Crack. Look at that busted. Some kind of. They want $29 for that espresso thing. It's all busted out. Some kind of security system. KitchenAid. Look at that KitchenAid. How much do they want for the KitchenAid? This thing. That's a old washing machine. They want $1,400 for that trailer. I don't know if it's stolen though. So to be honest, it kind of looks like a homeless estate sale, and he wants $1,400 for that trailer, but he doesn't have a what is it called? A title for it. So it might be stolen. There's no plates on it, no plates, no nothing. So I don't know. What do you guys think? If you've seen anything that you like, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Let's go. These garage sales were a joke. This guy right here wanted something. So these garage sales were a joke. He wanted $10 for something, and he's like, yeah, brand new, they're $100, and they sell them on eBay for $50. I sell them for $20 on eBay, and I would never pay more than $1. So, yeah, seriously.